Higher education is a $2 trillion plus global industry. In the United States alone, annual spending exceeds $700 billion. And yet, skills now depreciate in roughly 2.5 years. Degree programs take 4 to 6 years to complete. Fewer than 1/3 of graduates work in their field of study. Over 300 institutions have closed or merged since 2008. This is not a temporary downturn. It is structural misalignment. Artificial intelligence is compressing expertise. Tasks that once required years of training can now be accelerated, augmented, or automated. Entire job categories are evolving every 12 to 24 months. Meanwhile, traditional institutions operate on multi-year curriculum cycles, fixed infrastructure, time-based credentials, static learning pathways. In the next 4 to 5 years, many campuses may not fulfill their original economic function, not because learning disappears, but because velocity has changed. When structure can't match speed, something new has to emerge. Meet ArthurAI, built for skills velocity and real-world competency. It does not digitize the classroom. It replaces static curriculum with dynamic skill pathways aligned to real-time labor demand. Instead of time-based degrees, it validates demonstrated capability. Instead of semesters, it enables continuous progression. Instead of 5-year update cycles, it evolves as industries evolve. Global workforce reskilling exceeds $1 trillion annually. Employers are shifting from degree-based to skills-based hiring. This is not incremental reform. It is architectural replacement. The future of education will not be defined by physical campuses. It will be defined by platforms that evolve at the speed of intelligence. ArthurAI isn't following the shift. It's defining it.